wow, this is so exciting. I totally don't want to kill myself. So as you can see, the ball is turning and rotating. Kind of nice, actually. Maybe a little bit nicer with music. Oh, you know what? You can see a little bit of movement in there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick. Oh, it's sizzling. Oh, Cole! Get in here! It's going! Oh! I put it in for like 3 minutes, 70 seconds. I don't know how this microwave works.
It's pretty old. Right.
It is old.
Maybe we should put it on.
But then we couldn't see the popcorn pop. Oh! Oh! Here comes the show.
I'm not cooking that.
Maybe Ricky will. Is this seriously how long popcorn takes to go? No, I thought this was going to be a little more exciting.
No one thought it was a bag.
That was cool and gross. Oh, that was good. That was a good one. Yeah, boy, is that as exciting as watching popcorn? Are you participating? Oh, that. I thought you were talking about something else. I'm kind of upset that like none of it's really staying in the bowl. Oh, that
That
was
one
it.
did.
It looks like a decent amount, but that could just be the goo.
That's true.
There was so much goo hidden like inside the bag where we didn't cut it. I feel like when it's in the bag though, it like steams up and that's why it pops faster.
It's about like a minute and a half.
This is like a handful of popcorn.
You put a bunch on the top.
Oh, look at that goo. You said you wanted corn dogs. Why? Did you not tell me you wanted corn dogs?
Not on the pizza.
Well, I already had.
Not with a ridiculous amount of cheese on it.
Why don't you just take the corn dog off the pizza? Corn dog?
My cheese. You know what I'm trying to say.
It's too much corn dog on my cheese, man. Oh my god, this is taking forever.
I'm just gonna pop it all.
Well, wait, you're gonna let this go to waste?
Yes.
Cole?